This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pam Sharon. Welcome to 6331 Positano Court. Enjoy gorgeous water views from this immaculate and gently lived-in home at Villa Amalfi. A gated, maintenance-free community, in a convenient Sarasota location, just minutes from Sarasota Airport, dining, world-class shopping, pristine beaches, performing arts, and so much more. The Tidewater floorplan offers 2 bedrooms, plus a den with double doors, an open kitchen and family room area, with over 1,400 square feet. Some of the notable interior upgrades include crown molding, plantation shutters with upper and lower tilt, power shade for the sliders in the living room, ceilings fans, comfort height toilets, and a neutral color palette. There is no carpet in this home, and an added halo UV system on the air conditioner to reduce allergens. The extended lanai, with natural gas stub for future grill, is where you will spend a lot of time enjoying shimmering water views and simply spectacular sunrises. Villa Amalfi is a gated, maintenance-free community, including lawn and common area maintenance, exterior and roof maintenance, and community pool and pavilion. The perfect lock and leave home, with the ease of one-level living. Time to enjoy a Florida lifestyle in a wonderful location, at a reasonable price, with no CDD fees. Call today for a private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Sharon at 941-993-3388.